How does imagination inflation cause false memories? Imagine vividly picturing an event so clearly that it starts to feel like something you actually experienced. That's the core idea behind imagination inflation. When you imagine an event in detail, your brain adds sensory details like sights, sounds, and feelings. These details make the imagined event seem more real, almost like a memory. Over time, your brain can get confused and start to think that what you imagined really happened. This mix-up is called source monitoring error. It's when your brain struggles to tell whether a memory is from real life or just something you imagined. The more you imagine an event, especially with rich details, the stronger this false memory can become. For example, if you picture yourself doing something like riding a bike or meeting someone, and you imagine it with all the sights and sounds, you might start to believe it actually happened. This can happen very quickly, sometimes within just half an hour of imagining. It's like your brain is blending the line between imagination and reality, making the imagined event feel just as real as a true memory. Scientists have tested this by asking people to imagine doing certain actions or experiencing specific events. They found that the more detailed and vivid the imagination, the more likely the person is to later believe the event happened. Warnings or trying to tell people not to believe their imagination often don't work. Sometimes, it even makes false memories more likely. These false memories can be strange or unlikely, but to the person, they feel very real. This phenomenon shows how strange and quirky human memory can be. Our brains don't record memories like a camera. Instead, they rebuild them each time we remember. And because imagination can influence this process so strongly, it can lead to memories of events that never actually took place. In the world of strange experiments and odd results, imagination inflation reveals just how easily our minds can be tricked into believing in things that only exist in our imagination. It's a fascinating look at the quirks of how we remember and how easily our memories can be distorted.